How crucial is language in fostering a sense of respect and inclusion within the workplace? The answer is incredibly so. The words we choose, the phrases we use, and the way we frame our conversations can significantly impact the inclusivity and respectfulness of our work environments. Let's delve into 3 key approaches that help us navigate this landscape: person-first language, identity-first language, and the evolving language of inclusion. Starting with person-first language. This approach emphasizes the individual, rather than their disability, by placing the person before the descriptor of their disability. Instead of saying disabled person, we'd say person with a disability. This way, we acknowledge that a disability is just one aspect of a person's identity, not their defining characteristic. Many professional settings widely adopt person-first language as it is seen as respectful and inclusive. Then we have identity-first language. This approach puts the descriptor of the disability before the person. For example, autistic person or deaf person. This language is embraced by some individuals and communities who view their disability as an integral part of their identity. It can be empowering as it acknowledges the significance of their disability in their lives and experiences. Lastly, there's the evolving language of inclusion. Language is a living, breathing entity, constantly changing and growing. Staying informed about preferred terminology and communication styles across diverse communities is crucial. This might mean updating our language to use more inclusive terms like wheelchair user instead of wheelchair bound, or using gender-neutral language like they instead of he or she. In all interactions, it's essential to respect personal preferences, be adaptable, educate ourselves and others, be mindful of context, and practice active listening. Ask individuals about their preferred language and respect their choice. Understand that language preferences can vary among individuals and communities. Stay informed about the evolving language of inclusion and educate your peers about these changes. Be aware that some terms or phrases may be appropriate in certain contexts, but not in others. And pay attention to the language used by individuals with disabilities and their communities. By being mindful of person first, identity first, and the evolving language of inclusion, we can foster more inclusive, respectful, and supportive interactions within the workplace. Remember, creating a positive work environment for all starts with our words.